Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your YouTube banner on your phone using Canva. So if you want to create this banner here for your YouTube channel, then let me show you how to do this using your phone and an app called Canva. So to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for Canva. Go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open it. Once you open it, this will ask you to log into your account. So you want to go ahead and log into your account using your Gmail or any other email address. Now to create a YouTube banner on Canva, at the top here, you want to go ahead and search for YouTube banner. This will now show you some templates which you can use to create your YouTube banner. Just keep a note, some are free and some have a premium which you need to pay, or you need to be a member of Canva in order to use it. So let's say, for example, your YouTube channel is about travel. So you can go ahead and put down the search term as YouTube banner travel. And this will show you all the different examples of the YouTube banners you can create. So for example, let's choose this travel vlog. So we can go ahead and tap on this. Now you want to go ahead and add your picture. So tap on that, done. Now here, as you can see, it has replaced that person's photo with your photo. If you zoom in, you can go ahead and edit all of these. You can go ahead and add your channel name. You can add your slogan. You can go ahead and edit all of these items which you don't like. So for example, if you want to change the background, you can go ahead and edit that as well. You can press delete, and then you can go ahead and replace it with something else from your phone library. So you can choose the camera roll, or you can choose photos from Canva itself. You can also choose a different background. And now once you're happy with what you've created here, you can go ahead and press on download here at the top right, which is the down arrow. Now this will basically save that as a PNG. Tap Save Image. Now if you go back to your phone library, you can go ahead and see your YouTube banner. So there you go guys, that is how to make a YouTube banner on Canva using your mobile phone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.